If you're planning a water-wise garden, then one group of plants that's well worth considering are the succulents. With 50,000 odd varieties, you're certainly spoiled for choice. Succulents are riding a wave of popularity at the moment, and it's because they are low maintenance, low water use plants, even drought tough specimens. Many have beautiful flower colours, as you can see, or foliage colour. And then there's those striking architectural forms. Larger plants, like the Mauritian hemp, is where you need to start your planting, because these will dominate the landscape. And of course they're beautiful plants with lovely foliage, great form, and they could get 2 to 3 metres in height. Talking about biggies, this is a saguaro cactus. This is a very rare plant. It could get to 10 or 15 metres high, but that might take another 70 odd years. But already it's a dominant plant in this landscape. The firestick plant is one of Africa's euphorbias, and it's close to unkillable. These leafless stems change colour through the year and in response to stress such as dryness or full sun exposure. These can get to 3 or 5 metres high, but you can cut them back as hard as you like. There's quite a collection of aloes in this garden, and while all of them have got medicinal value for indigenous Africans, it's the form and the flowers that I love. Many of them flower during the summer, but the vast majority light up the landscape during autumn, winter and going into spring. Ground covering succulents do a great job at conserving moisture in the soil, and there's plenty to choose from. This is a kalanchoe with lovely flowers just about to pop, and over here the blue chalk plant. One of my favourites is the round leaf pigface. It's actually a West Australian native succulent and has a beautiful show of flowers all year round, but particularly strongly in spring. Now, one of the great things about succulents is they can get by on very little water. This exposed verge garden is a perfect example. It hasn't been irrigated in the 18 months since it was first planted. Of course, when you're planting out anything, including succulents, it's worth putting in a good soil improver as well as mulch to get them off to a flying start.